In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off the login feature on Base44. If you've decided that you'd rather have open access to your application, removing the login requirement can be a seamless process. Let's get started. First, visit base444.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, locate and open the project that you wish to edit. It's important to ensure you're accessing the correct project before making any changes, as these steps will affect user access settings. After your project is open, the next step is to navigate to the app settings. You can find this option in the left sidebar of your interface. Click on Settings, which will open up a menu where you'll find various configuration options for your project. Within this menu, look for sections titled Authentication, User Login, or User Accounts. These sections manage how users interact with your app in terms of logging in and accessing their accounts. Now, let's disable the login requirement. In the relevant settings area, search for an option labeled Enable Login Sign Up. Most likely, this is set to On. You'll need to find the toggle or checkbox and switch it to Off. Be aware that by turning off the login feature, you're allowing users to access your application without creating or logging into an account. This change will remove any login obstacles from your pages, so consider if this aligns with your project's privacy and security requirements or policies. You might have pages that previously required a login to access. In this case, you'll want to update those pages. It's an optional step, but quite important if those secured sections need alterations. You can replace any login buttons or adjust the content by replacing protected content with materials that are suitable for public access. This ensures that all parts of your application function smoothly and are coherent with the new open access approach. Finally, once you've made all the necessary adjustments, you'll need to publish your changes to make them active. Look to the top right corner of your screen and click on the Publish button. This will save all your changes and update your app, officially enabling it to function without a login requirement. And there you have it. Your application is now configured to allow users to access it freely, without the need for a login. This simple but significant modification can enhance user experience, but make sure it's the right choice for your specific project. And thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial was helpful for you.